Ya benar kan Bola Bedaka, Big Bola Bedaka, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for those of you in Illinois.
Yan Benaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning, boarding the bus or whatever transport that you're boarding this morning to go to work or to go to school. What did you sing ni Garabibuli and Mother Wango, Iyo and Mother Wango and buku ni karon ni wasa-wasa ni Buli. We hope that you are enjoying whatever you are learning from school. You are being punctual to school every morning. That is the most important thing. And also since it's Friday, many schools it's sports day for them. And and also the kids from
in the house.
It's happening at the HFC National
Bank Stadium.
The HFC National Stadium.
Look like someone breaking from the kerosene. Good morning to Ilesa Ernabula. This from Nawamanginan Rongaba Suisaunaka Nandi. Go Embagrusa Ulkondo to Rikua.
Happy birthday.
Nomu Wanji. Selo Wingham. Silo Wingham, New South Wales, Australia.
From Andrew Singh, President Coffee Land. Doyan Benaka.
Samambula.
Good morning. Yeah, in Samambula.
For those of you tuning in the bus, in the taxi, Bola Bedaka to all the Matua taxi base drivers in Nambuha, Bola Bedaka Mid Road, and also the drivers of the Tiko Care taxi base, Mahalak Transport Tours in the Umbati, Bola Bedaka, and welcome to Ouch Palangi show this morning.
Manu, Mil Netherlew, Double my Sawani, my Brisbane, my Australia, joining us this morning.
Ouch Palangi show this morning, Demesi will look at our past, our primary school days, and our secondary school days,
historical moment,
and a historical moment about our primary school days and our secondary school days. Okay, what was your favorite excuse when you forgot to do your homework?
My book is absent.
Oi.
Yes. Early. Okay.
Why your book was absent?
Because I want excuse.
You? And when you give that excuse, what is the reply from your teacher?
The kukunipush.
Okay.
The kukunipush.
How many? English.
For me.
Yeah.
Two
answer two.
Right. I can kame kukunipushi.
Right.
Se umemo kunungutemo.
Right.
Temo ni abangu. That's two things I am afraid for.
You have temo?
Ni kaya ba?
Okay, Timo Santo kukunipushi.
My no.
What are the actions that you like? Nano movement, nano sa.
Because
my
you doing the cat mover.
Kukunipushi what?
The cat mover. When you do the cat mover, it's very pain because it's close to the close to the toe, nakukuna, na toenail sila mga ko.
Fingernail. Right.
Close to the fingernail.
Right.
Even though if you have a string here, kaya kaso na one nilinga mo kala ko wala kay. That's one kwa kamushimus.
Right.
When you doing the push down on your fingernail, melaung go to.
Right.
You know it's very pain.
Right. You choose another place. You tell teacher, kukunipushi another place.
Emi tagi banget ini.
Right.
Ker doan roti seni meli buli. Apa saya mau dengar?
I say ni mili. Please wake up. The time is moving. It's now 7:36.
You are like a flashback of your first day in school.
Right.
Did you ever cry?
No, I never cry.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to go to school.
Right. He was very excited to go to school.
Yeah, because in primary, I was doing sit 2 times on the kindergarten.
Okay.
Yeah, first year on my car because I was late born.
Right.
Muribuli tu nama baki. Then the second year.
I thought you repeat because you stole the lunch.
No. Yeah, the first one late born.
Yes, late born. Right.
So
kindergarten again.
Yes, kindergarten again.
So my heart.
Second year, he was the head boy for the kindergarten.
When I go to class 1,
yes,
I was steady. I was looking forward to be a class 1 and primary school.
Yeah.
Because in Ratuluke, when you were in the kindergarten, you saw the primary up on like that.
You saw the building.
Yeah,
the babies of the school.
Primary, the kindergarten.
Right.
It's like in the middle of the kindergarten and the primary, the playground is there.
Right,
So
right.
you from this side watching people moving from
Yeah.
there. I was looking forward to go
Go
to
there.
primary.
Right.
Yeah.
So you didn't
I
cry.
didn't cry.
Okay.
You, I'm asking you.
What happened? What
Did you
happened?
cry
No.
or what is the first reaction coming on
No.
mind when you step on the school building?
I was very happy because my teacher is my aunt.
Right. See?
So I was confident
Oh.
to go to school.
So it's
I
like a
started,
family?
yeah.
It's like a family reunion.
Family
Oh.
reunion. I was very confident to go to
Right.
school, to learn, because my aunt is the teacher. That's
Right.
why everything is okay.
Okay, let me see. What is the most embarrassing primary school moment?
The most embarrassing.
Yeah. The most embarrassing. What is the most embarrassing moment?
The most what?
Embarrassing.
Yeah, the,
Yeah,
the most embarrassing in my life
Yeah.
in the primary school.
Right.
It's a sometime with detention.
Detention.
Yeah, detention.
Right.
Go soal tungan na lalai.
Yeah, like what?
Like nambera when you late,
Right.
you not bring your besau, your suai.
Right.
And also,
Say hi man to your teacher.
Isa, my teacher, okay.
Yeah.
I will tell my class 1 teacher till to class 6.
Right,
Okay.
My kindergarten teacher is Miss Mariani Ndimbale.
Eh, bulu benar
Ndimbale wai.
Right.
Miss Ndimbale or Nandimbale.
Right.
Now she's listening from Nangumu, Lutukina.
Oh, okay.
Indreketi Maduata.
Bula siya, bula siya.
Still alive.
Right.
Good morning teacher. And also my class 1.
Right.
Sa ngulit na maramang ko,
Right.
sinibuling ko.
Yeah.
Miss Inse.
Inse, right.
Miss Inse, she always wear spec.
Right.
Sa may pakadingong biyak ko. Medium.
Goggles. Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
Goggle na nunu. Now, class 2 is Miss Merciana. Now is teaching in Bishop Kempton.
Right.
Okay.
Miss Merciana, class 3. Again, Miss Merciana. Class 4.
Right.
No, class 3 is Miss Besadi.
Besar lami.
Besadi, Miss Besadi.
Oy.
Sa ngulit na tanya mata niya.
Iya.
Miss
Ya,
Besadi.
bulu benar
Yeah.
besar. Iya.
Sino ba Besadi o Miss Besadi?
Oh, besar, besar.
Non leo ni bale o masta amina si Besadi.
Right, right, right.
Miss Merlita.
Right.
Alright.
So from there is always a good teacher. because
Right.
Who always give the Google pussy? Catcalls.
All the teacher give the catwalks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because sometimes discipline us, eh?
Right, 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 right.
We see the difference, eh?
Coming from back from the lunch.
Yeah.
Ngayon daw tubang ko some coconut tree, daw tubang ko sa ni
Right.
rara, eh?
Climb.
Yeah.
Kona buni niya, ngayon
Yeah.
daw tubo tu kona tubo sin kau, the stone.
Right.
For the korka.
What was?
Yeah, white was.
Right.
Korka ambor wa bula-bula tu.
Yeah.
So from there, kami daw sumena kaya kami ko dutara kona white was ko. Ngayon daw babiri ka na ni ode lewun doon na ni wangkeran.
Right.
Bu, sawot na ni.
Ikaw ba di mangkara na lemon dondua?
Daw lewun na wanimbusan daw lutu.
Right.
Sa ni
English, English.
The rowan, eh?
Yeah.
Na wanimbu.
Raw material.
Raw material na episode.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bu, then we trying to let them down.
Okay, did you ever copy someone's homework in school?
Yes, many times. Many times.
Right.
Right. Na secondary.
Right.
Many times I copy some people homework.
Right.
If not copying, so that's time I go for 6 seat.
Right. Oh, 6
Not 6 seat, I want to go to the hospital. Because
Thank you.
8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Say thank you to all those that you have copied.
Not
Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
cheating.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's cheating.
Cheating. Apologize.
Time. Keep up on that. 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, yeah,
8 o'clock in the morning, that's the time to go to the hospital if you
Okay.
have any sickness.
Right.
So that's for the damning the first period and the second period.
Okay.
You're going like this from here to the one hotel here,
Right.
up here, where the Balamuni Banuai.
Right,
Yeah.
right, right, right. Okay, last one. Last one. Do you have any school crush?
At the time, no school crush, eh?
Okay.
Discipline person in the classroom is Demes.
Demes?
Is Demes.
Right,
Is
right.
the discipline ever student in the
If you
class.
do something wrong, worse, you
Yeah.
won't be able to tell.
You won't be
From
able-
6, from form 4,
Yeah.
from 6, from 7. Prefect.
In Ratuluki.
In Ratuluki.
Right, right, right. So no crush in
That's
school.
No crush. Discipline. If crush,
Yeah.
kailangan mokwe.
Yeah. If crush, crush.
I'm not doing the crush.
No crush.
I can't believe you because when I see you now,
Yeah.
your eye is very fast.
You are asking me, so I answer the question in my real heart.
Yeah.
In my
But
real
we don't
me.
believe you.
So believe God. Hey, thank you to Punjas and
Vinod Patel.
Vinod Patel. Thank you very much. We love you all. Blessed day. Blessed weekend.
Please, kids, don't be like the Messi.
People are singing.
Copying.
Boleh besar na siya boleh mana matakan ko is that me.
Hey, good night, Phoebe.
Right. Head boy.
Amelia Bax, arbinaka sebelum ini madaway, arbinaka may wire betia may lotaka. Natake ke este ke timaduata.
Why?
John Kumar, Epeli Boter Kandamu.
Right. If you lead the Ratuluke one time, if you chosen to be the head boy now, what you gonna go and do?
Ang nada discipline.
Okay.
Oh, Ratuluke ba undo takra ko ribuli. Discipline.
Right.
Ko ribuli. Balti ke melelay.
Right.
Lebu nangona.
Very easy.
Iya, ra lelelay. Lebu nangona 100% pas tu ke ko ribuli ngoy. Discipline, cadet. Kabaya, ka undo morta tu kinabuli ko Ratuluke. Kito nito ngoni form 7 kito letin kan duanga.
Saja na.
Letin kan do kito lebangan na tangane ken bora leo. Good about small school eh.
Small school.
Nabuli nakapabinaka.
Right.
Kapag ko step ko kilay.
Tombo mama, eh?
Iya.
Right. Big school kan?
No kan very.
Oh, big school kan?
Yeah, very hard.
Iya.
Very hard.
Musta
Kamay.
na uling kasi ni buli ni nilele pa ya baka ngamutu ngamay bale baka ngandong na matapu bale.
Yeah.
Raw sa baka buli.
Right.
Miss kumpuna meda good morning konta nang kasi buli binak kasi buli English.
Oi.
Marama ni sawan.
Sawan ni Mbwa?
Sawan ni may naitasir.
Yes. So your English is from Miss Kubuna Meta.
Dia tu feel tu anong English.
Iya.
Feel tu anong English. Form 6, Form
Pas.
7. Pasis binakasara na English.
Right.
Copy.
Pati may kopito na bitaro. Ako ni lebo na ngono kita sinikilato na how to
Iya.
study English.
Right.
Iko ni sinari na study na English. May pakatang na math na formula eh.
Right.
Pakatang na po ni subject eh. Iko huli da. Kung ni sa talangan na may tuwa sa nakinang biwata. Sana paling kay ko.
You have to read.
Kay 5 na essay.
Right.
Form 6, Form 7 eh. 5 na essay. Ay, kung may ikaw, talita ka sa ngakin.
Right.
Tuno ka, doon na ka mamimbita ko kasi buli. At teacher na Willy Bola Tambo. Kung na New Testament. Munta Willy, kompleto na English di kaya nice eh.
So you very good in writing like
Writing.
story, eh?
Writing story.
Essays.
Essay, daw 15 ko na expose to essay. Ranitin ka ba?
Gay bata pa na lableta.
Oh.
Ringo.
Mata ka to kita na lableta.
Sa musa, so baka ko eh. Yan ka na boss ay.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and anytime you receive this letter of mine.
Kung baka ko na kantaru ya. Binaka na punong job mo. Muning tin na matakalay, muning tin na ka.
Kita sana may nawe ke?
Yeah.
Nabalim sar na siya kumain na sar cukuman matagal na ko likes, love, share ka na live video ko. No mo page na na. Kaya marta.
Kaya masih, miyang bulare kaya masih.
Bulare.
Lini bate kay Vax, Amelia. Tong bula binak. Sada pa like hat.